the final with lemon, tomato, sili labuyo, bagoong, alimango, alimango. And then, what else did I put here? I'm gonna put black pepper in a while. So, this is it. Pansit. Ang sarap nito. Magkakamayan talaga ako. And of course, there's luya pala, ginger. And yung skin ng lemon. Look. Ito yung ginidgit ko. So, there you go. Black pepper na lang kulang dito. And ready to eat.